tight. This isn't your grandpa's logging video. Witness death-defying feats of skill as lumberjacks wrestle with massive logs, conquer treacherous terrain, and operate powerful machinery with pinpoint precision. This adrenaline-pumping compilation will leave you on the edge of your seat. Have you ever wondered how massive trees are brought down safely and efficiently? Today, we're going to see a skilled lumberjack take down a large tree branch, using precision, technique, and a powerful chainsaw. Pay close attention to his safety precautions as he works on the massive trunk. He's going to use a specific cut technique to ensure the branch falls exactly where he wants it to. This is a fascinating glimpse into the world of tree felling, where skilled workers use their knowledge and experience to control nature's power. Wow, this is truly massive. There's nothing more satisfying than watching huge trees being felled. This video gives a glimpse into the controlled chaos of felling a tree. Watch as the arborist uses a rope to guide the tree's descent with precision. It's a fascinating look at the process of preparing and taking down a large tree with expert technique. Using ropes in this way allows the arborist to control the direction of the fall, making it safe for both them and the surrounding area. It's clear that safety and experience are a priority in this operation. This is some serious woodcutting action right here. This lumberjack is taking on a massive fallen tree, and they're not messing around. Look at the power of that chainsaw ripping through the trunk. It's a testament to the strength and precision required to work in this line of work. It takes real skill to make quick work of a giant tree like this, and this operator is clearly a pro. The way they're using the chainsaw and the confidence in their movements is pretty impressive. We can tell it's a tough job, but they're doing it with ease. This is what they call a face cut on a large tree stump. It's basically making the tree look like it's got a giant mouth. This is a great example of how to make quick work of a fallen tree. The operator's using a chainsaw to cut off the trunk of the tree, and they're doing a pretty good job, if you ask me. It looks like a big tree, so they're going to be cutting for a while. The operator is definitely being careful because they're wearing a helmet and eye protection for safety, which is great to see. It's obvious they're used to this kind of work, so they're making it look easy. This lumberjack is clearly a professional. Look at them expertly use a chainsaw to cut down this large tree. They've got everything under control, and they're taking their time to do the job right. It's impressive to see the way they're working and how powerful that chainsaw is. You know they're taking safety precautions because they're wearing a helmet and safety glasses, which is always good to see. This is definitely a challenging job, but they're making it look easy. Look at that big tree. This guy's taking on a huge challenge, which is always a good thing. You know it's a big job because he's using a chainsaw to cut the tree down. They're using the right tool for the job, and it seems like they're taking their time and doing it right. You can see they're almost through the trunk of the tree. It's going to make a big crash when it falls.
I heard the noise.
Still filming?
You be careful.
Over there.
I hear it cracking, baby. Lita, stay out of there. Yes. Wow.
Look at that big tree. This guy's taking on a huge challenge. He's using a chainsaw to cut the tree down. It's a big job, and this is a dangerous operation. You can see he's almost through the trunk of the tree. It's going to make a big crash when it falls. But as you can see, he's a professional and knows exactly what he's doing. He's using the right techniques and taking the necessary safety precautions. He's always got an eye on the tree and knows when to move. It's a very heavy tree, and you can tell he's got experience and knows how to handle it. This is a really tall tree, and this arborist is doing a great job. He's wearing the proper safety gear, which is always a must when working with chainsaws. He's taking his time and using the correct techniques. It's really dangerous. And he's also very aware of his surroundings, but he's a professional and knows what he's doing. He's being very cautious and making sure he's got all of his bases covered.
Yes.
It's a huge tree, and it's impressive how he's able to control it. He's doing an amazing job. This is a big tree, covered in moss and growing in a dense forest. He's using a style chainsaw to cut the tree down, and he's making good progress. The sound of the chainsaw is loud and powerful as it bites through the wood. The tree starts to fall, and it makes a big crash. That was satisfying to watch. The sheer power of that chainsaw and the way that tree came down, a masterclass in forestry work. What did you think? Let me know in the comments.